right. We're at the new chemistry building at Texas A&M University. And I see right here they're doing renovations to this building, but look to the elevators. They were painted the door frames white, but they're still original. Are you going up, ma'am? Same here. And here it is. Oh, they did the cabs. Your floor, ma'am? B?
Yeah, thank you.
You're welcome. I'm an elevator enthusiast, as you know. I film elevators. It's a hobby I have.
Yeah.
You take care and have a good day.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I'm gonna sample the bell chime on camera. All right, we're gonna go to 5. Here we go. These travel 350 feet per minute. I don't know if these are computer-matic or something. I'll just count the B, and we'll capture the other elevator. They redid the cab since I last rode these. But they did not bother to modernize these, which is good. All right, we're gonna send this away. That is an annoying chime. We're gonna send this one away and we're gonna capture this elevator here. We got this elevator here. 5. This one has the bird chime. I like this one better than an annoying Epco gong chime on the other elevator. Here we're at 5. What's going to be? Historical phone work. I love that. Similar to the other elevator. Basic cab. But I love these original Dover classic traditional fixtures. Watch the button go out. And we'll take this for one more ride. I love that bell. Dorcal's button does not work that time. You have to press the floor button in order to get it to close. I hope they do not modernize these elevators. Alright, I guess we can end the video up here, and there's a skywalk that goes to the chemistry annex. Door close and push the button, but the door close button does not work. These were installed in 1984. It's a very nice elevator for its age. There are your fixtures. Dover traditional fixtures, ADA compliant foam. 5. Here we're at 5. See, there's your view right here. Unfortunately, not much of a view, honestly. Here's into your hallway. They have not been touched yet. And now comes the chemistry annex elevators with the 1972 Dovers. Remember I filmed those last time. Look at this 1980s skywalk. We are now going to the 1970s wing. This is the 1980s wing of the building. Let's see how those beauties are doing. They're renovating this building, so I hope they don't see any destruction of mods. All right. Here we are in the chemistry annex building, the original wing here, and what is this? What is that? Are you kidding me now? Texas A&M? Where are the 1972 vintage Dovers that I filmed last year ago with the EPCO WS Halo line fixtures? That's what Jimster586 says when he tried to film the 1920s hot and freight elevator at Todd Union at University of Rochester. But Jimster, if you're seeing this video, I was gonna film a 1970s Dover until it got this mod on. You know what? You know what I have to say about this? Oh, I cannot believe these got modded. I'm very upset right now. You know what? We'll just take these down. I'm getting out of here. I'm sorry, guys. We're gonna take these down and get out of here. I am mad right now. I don't want to overreact on camera, but Jimster586, I give credit to you for that video. I really like that video that you made, Jimster, if you're seeing this. Also, look at this. They kept the original lanterns, but look at this, new cabs. Oh, you can come inside. You're going down to 1 or G?
Or G.
I'm just filming the elevator, that's all. Texas A&M University. You know what I have to say about this? There's the original indicator right here. But man, these are slow now. Oh, let's watch the button go out and... Come on. There we go.
That's fine.
Take care and have a great day. These are vintage Dover from 1972. Let's ride, here we go. And we got the big one. Look how big this thing is. 4? Whoa, listen to that bell. Awesome. All right, let's go on the B. This is a nice and big elevator. I believe this one is used for freight, it looks like. Look how big it is. I wonder how much capacity this hold. Whoa, 7,000 pounds. Whoa, that is just big. This is one of the biggest elevator for a center opening door that I've ever seen in my life, or written. Well, as you can tell, here we have some 1970s vintage Dover that got in the destruction of modernization. So, I guess that is gonna be it.